Hi, my name is Ronald Zambrano. I am a partner at West Coast Trial Lawyers, and I am the head of the Employment Rights Department here. And I'm here to talk to you about whether you can use your sick time or vacation time when your kid is sick. In California, there's a labor code called 233. It is also known as the Kin Care Act or the Kin Care Statute. And you have a right under that statute, under Labor Code 233, to use your sick time that you have banked on your paycheck to either take care of yourself or for anyone really close in your immediate family, including your kids. Now, that is different from FMLA or California Family Rights Act or disability leave. That's very, very different. This all has to do with, you look at your pay stub and you go, how much sick time is listed there? And that amount of sick time is the amount of time you have a right to take care of your sick child, for instance, or your sick parent, or your sick sister, okay? It's very, very broad, but most people use it to take care of either themselves or their kids. If your employer says, we're not gonna allow you to take time off because your kid is sick, and you have bank sick time, that's a violation of Labor Code 233, and you're entitled to remedies. If you're fired for exercising your rights to take sick time because you have bank sick time, you have a right for wrongful termination. It's called retaliation under the Labor Code. So very important. First, double check you have bank sick time on your pay stub. It's right there. It should say sick time. If it's not there, give us a call, but it should be there. And that is your right. You have a statutory right to take that time off. And a quick reminder, starting this year, 2024, you should be able to accrue up to 5 days of sick time. It's no longer 3, it's up to 5 days of sick time, which now is 40 hours of sick time, assuming you never take it and you allow it to get that high. So if you have any issues, you have a sick kid and you have back sick time, take it to take care of your kid. And if you don't, give us a call. Thanks for watching. I hope that was informative. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.